Hey, what's up? My name is Adam. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you a hybrid knowledge management system that was built with Notion and Kahana. So let's just dive right into it. I won't be able to cover everything in this video, but I will show you how Kahana works with Notion to create a hybrid knowledge management system, and I'll show you an example of an embedded hub that we put into Notion's flexible canvas. So what you're looking at is an example of a knowledge system that was customized and built by our team. You can do this with Notion and customize it exactly the way you want with your own layout and make things the way you want them to be ultimately. The way we've structured it is there's different types of cards and hubs that you can discover, and we would love to share this page with you and with other people to make information and our knowledge more transparent. So if you come to this page, you'd be able to click on any card, get a kind of gist overview of it, and you'd also be able to open it as a page. So the reason this is special and it's such a great workflow is that an embedded Kahana hub will be updated in real time as collaborators are adding different documents across different devices. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, you can create drafts, you can web clip into Kahana as well. So this is actually an amalgamation of all of the research and all of the notes I've been taking about these Medium articles that we're writing. So we're publishing a lot of posts about, different cloud collaboration softwares, and Kahana is the place where our team can really work together and gather that knowledge and information and share it, and also bounce ideas off each other. This is just an example of all the notes that I took on different tools, and all of this information gets kind of fed into blog posts that we can make on Medium. And there's examples of different folders here that cover all of these apps. So there's just a lot of stuff you can do with this flow. I don't want to get into all that in this video. That'll take a lot of time. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for checking this out. Bye.